in fact, all the states have been issued instruction by the MHA that in view of the 26 Jan Republic Day, we have to do flag hoisting on all the islands. That is why we have come here on this island today, along with all the other stakeholders like Forest, Coast Guard, Indian Navy, the NCC, the Forest Department, and the Police Department. So this is a great day for us that we have come here and done the flag hoisting.
Sir, can you mention the importance of this island space?
Yes, all these islands are having a strategic location, and to ensure that the security of these coastal islands, that is one of the reason we are here today. Patrolling with our boats, we have got 7 police stations, and all police stations are doing coastal patrolling to safeguard the interests of the state. Yeah, we have to all dedicate ourselves to this nation, and we should always strive to ensure peace and stability for the state of Goa and for India as a whole.
We were surprised to see the Coast Guard coming here for the flag hoisting, and they're doing this all in preparation for the 26th January. So we feel safe that the Coast Guard are reaching to the island.
And we could be a part of it.
Correct.
That is one thing that we really like the most. So yeah, thank you so much, sir.
Many people got it after many years, the flag hoisting, which we missed.
School was the last time flag hoist केलं. So this was a very nice opportunity. We were lucky, I would say. So thank you so much. आमका वो chance मेळ्ळो तुमचे बरोबर हिंगा एकवटान वो flag hoist करपाक. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello, I'm John Martin from Bogmalo. I'm a civilian. I'm fisherman and locals. एक दोन उतर म्हणून बसयता की सद्यार आमी आयलंडाचे येयले 26 जानेवारी सेलिब्रेशन आमी पयले हिंगा 26 आमी पावचे ना जाणा पूण ताका लागून आमी पयले येयले आज फ्लॅग होस्टिंग करपाक आयलंडाचेर सगळ्या आयलंडाचेर करतले आमी फ्लॅग होस्टिंग आनी हांव थँक्यू म्हणून बसयता कोस्टल पुलिसान नेवल कोस्ट गार्ड COP कॅप्टन आमगेले ओशनोग्राफी तितून मध्ये हांव सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा कितें हे आमचे सगळे सायबाज हिंगा आहा ते सगळे आमकां एक एकवट असो दाखोवपाक आज तेणी आमकां एक सांगाती असो दाखयला कितें हाल्या कितें जालें आमी सांडले दोरयान सांडून पावले कितें जालें आमच्या फिशरमॅनाक एक होप आहा की आमकां ते सगळे पावतले म्हणून एक फोनार वो एक उतरार आमकां ते हेल्प करूंक येतले म्हणून सो आमी सगळे आनी आमी सगळे सिविलियनूय तेंचे बरोबर उबे रावचे फाल्यां कितें जालें तांकां कसलो हेल्प जाय फिशरमॅन आनी सिविलियन तांकां सगळे आमी हेल्प दाखोवचो आमचे मदें आदार दिवचो इतलें म्हणून फक्त is the best at the moment. I have no words for this. म्हाका दिसता अशें करून सदांच आमी रावचे एकमुखार पावोन एकमुखार सांगातीन रावचे आनी केन्ना कितें कोणाक हेल्प जाल्यार हेल्प करचो म्हणून